Hi Zoom Room, my name is Heather and this is my best friend Jessie. See that? And we train using exclusively positive reinforcement and clicker training. Yes. Good. Turn. Peekaboo! Step up. Good boy, yes! That's awesome! Scoop! 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 More scoop! Yes! Motion! Motion! Yes! Oops! Big! Dance! Dance! Hop! 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 Jump! 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 Put it in! Go behind! Yes! Go crazy! Go crazy! Yes! Good jobbers! Clean up! Clean up! Open it! Say something? Good boy! Yes! Put it in. Good boy, go behind. Yes! Circle! Circle. Big. Back around. Good job. Yes. Wait. Yes.